Update today's factory real-seeing video. These are in stock the machines. Charcoal extruder, these are smaller capacity, and that too is bigger capacity. Bulk press machine for the oval shaped and egg shaped charcoal briquette machine. Continuously carbonization furnace with the water purification system model. It's almost finished. Horizontal carbonization furnace. Two are finished and this one is under making. Smaller capacity carbonization furnace continuously tapped. This one is using burning the gas for preheating. So this is gas burner, and this one is the normal model with burning the firewood for the preheating, and the single vertical furnace hammer mill. Another one. Water drop hammer mill crusher. This is higher capacity to make the charcoal dust or the biomass material. The crusher. So inside here is ready for shipping. These are horizontal furnace with the wood vinegar collector and army green. This one is 4-in-1, four working in one line vertical furnace. So this is the inner stove. This is the outer stove. Purification system. Gas returning tube with valves. And it has totally 6 grade purification system. We can have a check. So this is wood vinegar collector. And these are also the inner stove. The working step. It will assembled over the furnace, and the hoist crane. And other pipes. So those are biomass briquette machine with automatically feeder. This is smoke collector. This long one is airflow dryer for biomass materials, such as sawdust, red husk, or crushed others materials, all able to dry in. And this one capacity is about 600 to 800 kilogram per hour. This dryer is also the airflow dryer with the heat stove. Vibrating sieve. That one hydraulic hookah shisha charcoal briquette machine with the hydraulic pump station, and the PLC controller. This is buffering storage bin. Rotating sieve. Bender mixer. Wheel mill mixer. So above all made in our factory and made by ourselves. This is the cooling tower for carbonization furnace water purification system. So today's videos is like this, and I will upload more. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye.